Elon Musk just received a terrifying warning from Vladimir Putin. SpaceX CEO Elon Musk found himself in big trouble with Vladimir Putin. This is after he showed great support to Ukraine after the Russian invasion. What is the cause of the terrifying warning? Join me today in this video as we discuss more on the rivalry between Elon Musk and Vladimir Putin. In February this year, Vladimir Putin announced his plan of invading Ukraine. However, there were no early conflicts recognized between Russia and Ukraine. After his announcement of invading Russia, signs of war eruptions started being witnessed all over. During his announcement, he asked the Ukrainian army to stop using their weapons. He also added that whoever who will try and be against the Russian army will be in trouble. He vowed to protect the Russian army. Russia's invasion of Ukraine has now continued for some time, and for this reason, Elon Musk has shown great support to Ukraine through the supply of Starlink satellite dishes. However, his support for Ukraine has not been well received by Russian officials. This has led to disagreements shown on their social media platforms. We all know Elon as a person who wants to achieve success in whatever he does. His disagreement with the Russian officials has not stopped him from supporting Ukraine. On 27 February, Musk announced that the Starlink satellite services and terminals were available in Ukraine. 2 days later, Mikhail Fedorov confirmed that they had received the equipment sent by Musk. However, Mikhail did not specify what was received and how was it supposed to be used. On March 5, Elon Musk and Ukraine President Vladimir Zelensky had a conversation on the phone which was posted on Zelensky's Instagram. The conversation entailed the supply of more Starlink satellites to Ukraine. Vladimir invited Musk to Ukraine after the war so that they could discuss more projects together. During the conversation, Elon Musk revealed that ground terminals were what Ukraine received. Days later, Musk took to his Twitter account warning Ukraine to use the Starlink network terminals with caution. The satellite network terminal had become of great value to Ukraine. This gave Elon Musk a feeling that they could be the next target of Russia if they are not handled with care. Elon Musk's statement and actions of support for Ukraine drew many people's attention. The head of Roscosmos was the first to react. Dmitry Rogozin said that the equipment supply will not be of great help to Ukraine. He said the satellite requires ground cables and several stations for them to work. Since he projected his negativity, the SpaceX equipment is still helping Ukraine in communication. The network of the Starlink satellite has improved from 140 megabits to 200 megabits per second. This has served as a great motivation for Elon Musk in support of Ukraine. Many people expected it to fail, but the opposite happened. Elon Musk has always advocated for free speech. He does this through his Twitter account, where he talks out his mind. He says that he has been asked by several governments to block Russian news sources. However, Musk said Ukraine is an exception to this. Other big companies like Google and YouTube have blocked Russian news sources. The EU has blocked the broadcasting of the RTTV channel due to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The European head of Commission Ursula von der Leyen said they blocked them to stop spreading harmful information in Europe. Microsoft and TikTok were also not left behind. They reacted to Musk's tweet immediately. Musk has been in fights with all Russian officials except Vladimir Solovyov, who is supporting his idea. Since he is the head of the journalists, we can conclude that Elon Musk made a wise decision. Elon Musk likes using Twitter in making communications with everyone. On 14 March, Musk and Rogozin exchanged words on the platform. This was due to Musk's tweet of challenging Vladimir Putin for a battle. When Dmitry Rogozin saw the tweet, he was not happy. 2 days later, the tweet had drawn the attention of several people from the US and Russia at large. They were anxious to know what next. Earlier on, Musk had posted a tweet while tagging the Kremlin's Twitter account, asking if they were ready for the fight. Rogozin replied to Musk's tweet with a verse from Alexander Pushkin's. He said Musk was too young and weak to compete with him. He rather stated that Musk should overtake Putin first. He also said that if Musk decided to compete with him, it will be a waste of time. Rogozin said that Musk is not in any better position of fighting with Putin. Elon Musk did not receive this well. When he was asked what he will do if Putin agreed to his request, Musk said he will be happy to have received such news. As the strong man that Elon has always been, he went ahead and said Putin can bring along his bear through his Twitter. Rogozin's insults to Musk continued when he told him to get out of the toilet for the negotiation to continue. This came from Elon's earlier tweet, which said he made many of his recordings from the toilet. All these attracted people to choose different sides between Elon and Dmitry. The last quote from Musk that closed the conversation came from Mihailovich, which Musk said Dmitry should start a book club. Roscosmos backslide in the launching of space satellites. This became an opportunity for SpaceX, but Robinson said SpaceX cannot meet Russia's planned achievement. Musk has not given up on supporting Ukraine, even if some Russian officials are not for it. His intention is not to be against Russia, but to bring peace. Even the Russian has invited him to present his Tesla electric vehicles if he is willing. This brings us to the conclusion that he is not supporting the war at all. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any latest news on Elon Musk.